Hi guys, how you doing? Rndr pumping. Is this the top? Because right now it is all-time high. And I'm here to tell you, don't get scared out of the market just yet. I mean, can it dump down? Of course it can, not a financial advice. You do you, I do me. You do your money, I'll do my money. But I'll tell you what I would be looking at if I, was holding a Rndr. Now, I'm not holding any Rndr. So there is that. So I'm really, neutral in my opinion. But when stuff goes up, I do tend to believe that, as long as the trend is your friend and the fat lady has not sung yet, it's all good and dandy, right? That said, the trend is still towards upside. Now over here, what you see on the chart is actually my channel that I've been looking for a long time. There was actually two channels up here, but what you're gonna see here over here, this is accumulation zone down here. It went out of the accumulation consolidation up here, had a nice pump towards the resistance, pulled back, retested that channel, went above that resistance level up here, and right now it's just pumping really fast towards the upside. So the big question is, how high can this actually go? Now over here we have a previous top up here, $6.2, actually higher up here at 7.9, but that's a week right now. This is a monthly time frame, so this level at 6.2 is very important. What you're gonna see over here that we are already getting into that price discovery right now, and it's gonna get very interesting very soon, because right now it's 25th of February, so this monthly candle is gonna close very soon in a couple of days, and then we are expecting some kind of pullback over here, maybe no pullback, and then just continuing towards the upside again, a lot higher than that. Rndr right now is at 3 billion market cap, so it's not that actually high. It's actually very low market cap. You just consider that Dogecoin and Pepe and stuff like that got like 3 million. Dogecoin has actually 12 billion market cap, so how high can an AI coin do? That kind of depends. Now what I'm looking for when it comes to all-time highs and price discovery, I always look at these bottoms down here and I figure out like how high can you go before these first guys start selling. Because if you bought down here, don't look at where your 20x is. Look at these guys down here. Where are they getting the 20x? Where are they getting the 50x, 100x, and so forth? Now where are we gonna have a 20x? Because 20x right now is at all-time high up here, because this is 20x over here. So if it goes higher than that, 30, 40, 50x is all the way up here at $20, something like that. 20 bucks, that's the 50x, right? And if it goes higher than that, 100x over here, give or take, it's at 40 bucks. Can we reach 40 bucks with this thing up here? I think it's probable. I mean, there will definitely be coins that are doing 100x, 200x, even more than that. We don't know, but we are looking for these next levels. Now I do understand a lot of people, a lot of these YouTubers that are doing stuff like that, like looking for 2.6, and 2.6 is very nicely coming to this 20 bucks level, but it's really not where we are. If you know anything about my channel, we hate Fibonacci's. So we got other ways to figure out where the tops and bottoms are, and we are really good at that. Now that said, 20 bucks up here is the next logical level, because that's a 50x towards the upside. That means that this thing right now have to go only something like 200% to get the 50x on 20 bucks. So from 3 billion market cap, it just needs to go to 6 billion market cap, a little bit more than that, almost 10 billion market. It's still less than Dogecoin right now at the bottom. And so this is pretty much given. The 20 bucks is pretty much given. The big question is whether it's gonna be 50x or 100x, because we just said that 100x, these guys on the bottom are gonna get 100x down at up at 40 bucks. So this 40 bucks is a really important level, because anybody who has their right mind in place, head between the shoulders and all of that, they get 100x, they're gonna start taking some profits. If you're not taking profits, I don't care what kind of coin you are holding, and you got 100x, you're not starting taking some profits, there's something wrong with you. Okay, but the trend is your friend, and trend is not broken yet, and this is how it actually works out. So from the bottom up here, we had this trend line over here that we actually pulled back below it, but we managed to keep the trend. The trend continued right now climbing towards the upside as the resistance level on the trend over here. resistance line. So it was this channel up here, pull back into that, retest that, came into the channel, continued up here, and right now it's going towards the upside. So what we are expecting right now is that these bottoms will actually hold, especially right now that we are out of this accumulation zone down here and we are pumping towards the upside. We are not going to get any more of these pullbacks out of the channel. What's going to happen right now is a parabolic move towards the upside where we do not break the trend, and this goes something like this up here. This is the trend right now, give or take. We are a little bit, you know, drawing this line nice and dirty over here, but it's not gonna break the trend. So there is no coming back below this line over here towards the downside. If it is actually for whatever reason break the line, especially break the channel up here towards the downside, there is something definitely, you know, fundamentally wrong with the coin, especially if this happens before the retail gets here, before the, you know, Bitcoin tops out and stuff like that, right? But right now we are looking at these two lines, because this right now resistance level line actually goes a little bit lower here. Let's do it nice, a little bit nicer up here. We are looking at these two lines, so you know the pullback up here can still be back down to $6. You gotta understand, anytime stuff does you know big moves, this over here is, you know, 83% moves from the bottom, down here is, you know, 5x moves, and especially after these big moves, you know, 100% up here towards the upside, give or take. From the bottom up here is, you know, 150%. Especially these big fast moves, they tend to pull back a lot, right? If you've been watching Bitcoin, they pull back, you know, 20-30%. Big fast moves. Now on altcoins they can pull like 50-60%. The trick is not getting, you know, shaken out of the market as long as you are in the trend, and we are still in the trend. Not only that, we are breaking the trend towards the upside. We're extremely bullish up here, and how long this consolidation period right now is going to last before we continue breaking this all-time high kind of depends, but we are right now at all-time high, and you can right now see that this, you know, this parabolic bullish move towards the resistance right now, it's right now coming into this consolidation period. Now the consolidation period is only a matter of time how long it takes before it breaks out, but as soon as it breaks out, I would assume it is very easy. $20 next is pretty much given for Rndr, guys. Pretty much given, pretty much. Below down there in the comments, tell me what Rndr is, because I still don't understand it, everything. You know, it's an AI coin. We got a public Telegram group, guys. Read the comments down below. We also got TF Fans Club, our private Telegram group, where we've been around since the bear market bottom, 20k, 15k Bitcoin, buying like crazy, calling the bull market start and stuff like accumulation zone. So if you want to be in that group, check out the link down below. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you another time. Bye bye. Where's my outro?